Testnet is live, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys on how to participate in this particular testnet and how to become eligible for this testnet. The link to this website will be in the description box. I can simply go to monan.syz. All you need to do is simply tap on join testnet and it will take you to the Monan official testnet page, which is this. On this page is where you get to actually claim the Monan testnet token, which you'll be needing to interact with this particular testnet. And on this page where you can simply add it to your wallet, tap on add Monan testnet to your wallet. You can simply add it manually by copying this network name, chain ID, and all of those stuff you get. But if you are using OKX wallet or MetaMask, and if you simply tap on add, you get, it's going to normally if you are using OKX wallet or MetaMask, Monan testnet will be added like automatically, you understand. So what you need to do, the first step is for you to get the Monan testnet token, and which you can get from this place. Every day you can actually claim it from this particular website by pasting your Monan testnet wallet address on this place and type on get testnet token. So to do this, you simply have to go to your wallet that you're using. You can do this on mobile devices too. The process is similar. So I'm now switching network. I'm going to tap on try again. So I'm going to tap on receive. Then this is my Monan testnet wallet address. I've copied it, and next thing is I need to check this button on this place. Just have to paste the wallet address and can tap on get testnet Monan. Sometimes it might work, sometimes it might not work again. So there are other ways to get testnet token. I'll make a couple of videos to teach people on how to get Monan testnet token outside of this particular web page. You get the testnet token is very important for you to interact with this particular project. Understand? So the next step for you to do once you're getting the testnet token, so you need to scroll down and do this. That you can interact with any of these ones if you can. You get just Play Store, but the most important things that you need to actually buy any of these particular ones. You need to buy them. So you can simply buy them by simply tapping on the amount you want of the token you want to buy, maybe 0.1 of each. You get tap on buy, then do the same for each of them. But if you don't buy, you get, but you can really tap on view or Uniswap, and if you do that, it's going to take you to this particular page on Uniswap. Yes, go to this page on Uniswap. On this page is where you can simply buy it. First, if you need to connect your wallet, so I'm connecting my wallet already. Once connect your wallet, you can tap on this settings button and turn it on testnet mode. Get, so you tap on close. So now it is on testnet mode, and get, very important. So now I'm going to choose the testnet token, and you can see that Monan is currently showing, which shows that it's now on testnet token. It's now testnet mode. Token, I tap on my wallet. When I click on my wallet, I click on this place, and I put it on Monan testnet. So it's going to bring out all the Monan. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting Monan, you get, and then on this place, token for me to buy, I'm going to select those tokens that I saw on this particular website, and this particular one, House of Monan Dark, and the ticker is DAK. So on this place, I'm going to search for DAK. So you can see tap on DAK. This is it, right? I already bought about 1.2 of it. So on this place where you can simply put in the amount you want to buy, that is 0.01. The reason why I'm buying 0.01 is because the Monan I have is just 0.594. A lot of things I have to interact with get. So simply tap on review. I'm going to tap on swap. If I do that, I'm going to confirm this in my OKX wallet. So these are the things that you should be doing every single day. You get, you must interact, you must buy this still token, swap one from Monan to DAK, swap DAK to Monan. You keep on doing this every single day. If you do this, you are certainly make one interaction. You're certainly interacted with the Monan testnet token. You can see I've done it. So next you need to swap it back. For the sake of this video, I don't want to make it to be long, so you can do the same for this, do the same for this. So there are other projects that is building on Monan testnet. That you need to interact with. There are plenty of them. You can see there are plenty of them you need to interact with. So I'll be going through the most important ones. You understand? So on my Telegram, I have already dropped the link of the most important ones that you should interact with. One of the important ones you should interact with. This one is a whitelist. I think it has ended, but this ambient is still very much on. What we'll be doing is that you simply copy the address, then go to your browser and paste it. So I'm going to paste it on the search bar. I'm going to search for it. So if I do this, it's going to load up the web page, and what I'm doing is simply interacting with it, which is very easy. Interaction is very easy. To start with this, first let's connect my wallet. As you can see, my wallet is connected already. Once the wallet is connected, you can come to this page and say swap. So what we do is simply swap it. You get. So already I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose Monad. So I'll be swapping from Monad to not ETH but to any of these Testnet tokens, to either WETH, USDC, any of these. Again, so let me swap to WBTC. So you can type the amount into swap. Let's say 0.01. Then once it should, you tap on confirm and tap on swap. Something swap. You are going to swap. So you need to make these interactions. Again, you need to be started with this particular website. So just wait and tap on confirm. Meanwhile, if I need to do helpful, please do to like this video. You get. So once the transaction has been submitted, you go back and do what, and also swap this to any of the other tokens you get. Once you have swapped it, the next thing is for you to come back here and do what, choose the token that you swap to, and we swap them back to the Monad you get. So the reason why we'll be needing Monad token every single day is because as we are doing this swap, they are collecting gas fee. Yeah, they're collecting transaction fee for carry out these transactions you get. So once you have interacted with this one, the next thing I need to interact with is simply this particular next one, which is my Telegram. They need to interact with this particular one. You need to interact with this particular one. You need to interact with any of them. So guys, you need to be interacting with all of these particular links you get every single day. The more you interact with them, the more you do the swap. Most of them, what you're doing is simply create wallet, you swap, you get. Once you swap, the more you swap, the more transactions you have completed, and that transactions actually makes you eligible for this particular airdrop. So guys, I'll be ending this video now because I believe you have gotten an idea on how to carry out this Monad testnet. You get how to participate in this Monad testnet. I'm going to make a separate video on how to interact with each of this particular platform. You're going to let me know that in the comment section. The link to all of these platforms will be in the description box. Will be in my Telegram channel, rather join my Telegram community and WhatsApp community. I'm going to find this link there. So guys, this should be it for this video. If you like this video, do it to like. If this video was helpful, do it to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Peace out.